What's going on YouTube? This is Mr. Scott 01, and I'm not coming to you with a fragrance review today. But still, I'm gonna spray some fragrance so I feel like I'm still in that niche. There we have it. Today we're going to talk about how to get from 0 subscribers to 100 in no time at all. Now, the first thing you can do is simply ask people to subscribe. But when you're doing that, don't be pushy with it. You know, keep in mind friends, family, people that you think may be interested in the category that you're posting in. One thing I would not recommend is that you do a sub for sub. The reason I say don't do a sub for sub, because think about it. Let's say you're into fragrance, cars, and travel, and somebody's up there baking cookies. But maybe you can't stand cookies. So every time this person posts about cookies, guess what? It's going to pop up on your feed as suggested content that you could watch. So here's what I think about sub for sub. They're going to leave you. I'm just kidding around, but it's the truth. And sometimes people really do enjoy your content, but you know, they don't think to subscribe. They're like, okay, well, I'll just wait till the next time that this person's video come up and I'll watch the next one. But encourage people to subscribe. Sometimes people need that. I even have a link that I'm going to post somewhere around here. Now, you can attach this to a custom link when you're making your YouTube URL. You can post that at the end, and it should prompt people to subscribe when they view your channel. Next thing is be consistent. When I first started my channel, February 13th, which is about 3 months ago at this time, I had 0 subscribers. In order to have people subscribe, what do you have to do? You have to have content. So I was posting videos like crazy. Every 2 to 3 days, I was posting a new video. And, you know, don't hesitate to tell yourself, no, I'm not ready, this, that, and the third. Because the more you post, the more you'll get comfortable. Your audience will see that, and you'll feel good in front of the camera. Another thing that I recommend you do is promote, promote, promote. What do you do when you're starting a new business? What do you do when you're having a function or a party? You let everybody know, you promote. You have so many different avenues that you can promote in social media land. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have Twitter, you have TikTok. All these different media outlets you can use to promote your channel. Now, the last few things that I would recommend you to do is have good titles. Okay, if you're talking about fragrance, let's just use me for instance. I have a fragrance channel. So let's just say, like in the beginning of the video, I sprayed on Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. So in the title, I will make sure I mention Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. And I might even put a little bit of how I feel about it in the title. I wouldn't do any more than 70 characters, and that should get the ball rolling about fitting in with what people are looking for when they search for Dolce & Gabbana. Next, and this one is really important, make sure you are putting tags in your videos. So for Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense, I may do something like DG, and the next tag might be Light Blue Intense. The next tag might be fragrance reviewer, because that's what I am, a fragrance reviewer. And finally, make sure you're putting a description for each one of your videos. So let's say Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. I might be like, this is a fragrance review of Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. And I might describe some of the notes that I smell within Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. I may even put a hashtag Mr. Scott 01 at the end or something like that to make myself more noticeable in the search results. An extra tip that's really important is make sure you have decent thumbnails. So many people look at our videos on their phones, so you need something that's eye-catching. You know, if you look at some of my thumbnails, they're a little bit outrageous, but it's meant to catch your eye. The site that I use for thumbnails is Canva. Canva allows you to import different things, place them where you want within the photograph in order to make a thumbnail. I hope this video helps you. My next milestone, I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. Once I'm there, you know, I hope to make another video telling about my road to 1,000 subscribers. This has been Mr. Scott01. If you enjoy fragrances, I would like for you to like, share, subscribe, and also click on the little bell next to the subscribe button so you get notifications every time I post a new video. If not, I hope this information has helped you on your way from 0 to 100 subscribers. Thank you, and you have a good Sunday afternoon.